Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of minimum, mean and max array, max in the array. Right? We just have to find the mean and max value in that array. We have this array 1, 4, 3, 5, 8. This is the very frequently asked question in the interviews or any of the interviews, startup or product viz or MNCs or in all the factor. This is the very most important. That's the important and the frequently asked question. So for that again I will just explain what is this, and I just explain all the approaches which you think and which you can write, right? So here is the problem is given an array. Your task is to find the minimum and maximum element in the array. We just have to find the minimum and the maximum element of this array. So the simple approach which comes in your mind always comes in your mind. If not comes in your mind, which means you are not writing any of the sorting algorithms, right? So yeah, I just give the hint. So in that I just sort the whole array, right? After the sorting, array dot begin to array dot int, right? Now we just have to int mean is equal to, what is minimum? Array of 0, and int max is equal to array dot size minus 1, and then return mean and max. Now see, why this will taking that much time? Your code is the home scratch, almost done. Okay. Why you will taking this much time? Okay, now this is the sorting. This is solve the problem using the sorting. Now the second approach which comes in your mind, that is very phenomenal and a very simple approach, like using the two. This will take order of n log n time. Why? Because I have to use the sort algorithm. So we can optimize this, and we can use the two loop. Simple. One is to find the maximum, one is find for the minimum, right? This is, so why your server is very low? Yeah, so this is the problem. Not this problem. What is the problem? The problem is 6 to 8. Expected output is 8, but we just return this and we just return this. Oh, I think this is the problem. Array size minus 1. Yeah. Why we are doing this? Because we just have to find the array, and under the array of size minus 1, right? So for that reason, now I just come on the loop, right? Two loop problem. After that two loop, we just find the mean and the max. So it will take a huge amount of time. I don't know why it will take this much time. Okay, I just see what happening there. Yeah, so when it will submitted, yeah, it will pass the test cases. Now I just come on the little bit, that means a different approach, not the optimized approach. Yeah, so we can use for the first finding the minimum, and the same loop I just traverse for finding the maximum, right, in that array. So firstly is int mean is equal to, we can assume our 0 is the mean, and also max is equal to, we can assume our max is also this is 0, right? So this is, now after that I can just do start the loop. Int I is equal to, start I is equal to 0, and I greater than is equal to array dot size and I plus plus, right? Now from here I just to find the max first we just find the minimum. So the minimum is what we can do, if array of I से छोटा हो कौन, मीन, which means we just have to mean is equal to array of I and nothing. Now the same type for int I is equal to 0, I greater than is equal to array dot size and then I plus plus, and then if array of I बड़ा हो किससे, मैक्स से, तो क्या कर दो, उसको अपडेट कर दो, तो मैक्स इज इक्वल टू array of I, right, and then return the mean and max. Yeah, simple and nothing, just do. Yeah, and submit. Yes, now one more approach, I just explain this and it will take, yes, you can show there is a two loop. Yes, now I just explain the one more approach. In that problem we just solve this problem in the using the two loops. Now the same problem I just solve the problem in a single loop. How, int mean is equal to array of 0, we can assume this array 0, int max is equal to array of 1, right, oh sorry 0, right. Now for int I is equal to 0, I greater than is equal to array dot size and I plus plus. Now if array of I is greater than is equal to mean value, means less than is equal to mean value, then mean is equal to array of I, and the same thing is if array of I greater than is equal to max, which means this is our max value. Yes, now just return the mean and max value, and yeah, that's it. Now see, and yes, it will pass the test cases all. Now now I just explain one more approach, which is also the very good approach. So in that approach we can just, what we can do here is just find the int mean is equal to array of 0, sorry not O, 0, and int max is equal to array of 0, right. Now there is a for loop, int I is equal to 0, I and I greater than is equal to array dot size and I plus plus. Now I just to find the mean is equal to mean is equal to minimum of mean of array of I. From that I just find the minimum, and for the max is equal to max of max and array of I. And now just return the mean and max. Now see, it will run or not. Yeah, mean cannot be used as a function. Okay, so mini and the maxi, and this is the mini and this is the maxi, and this is the mini and this is the maxi. Now again the same problem is, oh sorry, is the mini and the maxi. Yeah, and now try to submit. So yeah, it will submit successfully, right. So these all approaches, you can multiple of the, that means one question you have the multiple approach to add and just solve the one problem. So this is the very frequently, and this is the school level problem, so that is the very important, and most probably you just have to remember this all type of the problems, because this is the very highly asked question in the very startup companies and in any of the MNCs at the calling round, screening round. So thank you for staying till the end, and please like and subscribe my channel if you understand very clear and crystals of the questions. So why you will taking this much time, I think there is an issue of internet, I think. Why? Why you will take this much time? Yeah. So you just understood what I'm saying, because you see that it will compile and run, but it will take time to submit. You just try, and if you're not